should raise it by at least 5 degrees, maybe 10. Alright, so check this out. I've been making progress on getting my desk put back together, and I now have a home office, and it's working. My home office. So I'll just put my books in there and put a couple more bookshelves in here and a bookshelf over here, and then I'll have all of these boxes and books out here. Well, so I was thinking about moving the TV over to there and then the sofa over here. That's the big question, I guess. Like, do you want the TV in front of the windows, facing away from the windows, or do I want the TV opposite the windows and facing the windows? Obviously, with the windows, with the TV facing the windows, you get glare, and you get people looking in. On the other hand, with the windows open and the TV on, you can't really see the TV image very well because the light burns out whatever your eyes, and your eyes adjust, kind of like the camera. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and move the TV over here. I'm going to move the TV over here, and that'll be a good switch. That'll be a good change, because the way it is now, it kind of feels like the way it was when at my previous place, sort of. Sort of. I don't know. TV set right here. Yeah, something ain't right. Because if the TV was right in front of this, that's just weird. It's a weird balance. I don't know.
I have changed my mind.
It took me long enough, but I got the TV set up, and seem to have misplaced an adapter for the hard drive, external hard drive, but I'm gonna leave this mess here tonight. It's like 2:33, actually it's 3:30 now, so I need to go to bed. That's how long it took me to set that up. Yikes. Messy. Good night.